Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about forms. Lesson number 7, forms, children. See, already we know that in Access we have that tables, forms, queries, and reports, children. In those we already completed that tables and queries. Now coming to the forms, children. This Access provides forms which prompts user to provide information that can be fed into the database. Forms allows you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table. Okay, by using this we can see the information in the form of forms. That means only one student details we can see that. Okay, although Access provides in a data sheet which is convenient way for entering data, but it is not an appropriate tool for every data entry scenario. Okay, creating forms for your database can make entering data much more convenient. If you will use this one forms means it is very requirements. Okay, although a form can have a different names, in this we can give us different names for those forms also. If you change a record in a form, it will be reflected in the table also. If you will change anything in the form, it will be done already in the table. It will be also updated in the table also. Okay, children. Forms in Access are like display cases in stores that makes it easier to view and view. Data can be inserted, updated, and deleted in your using database using a form object. By using this form, you can insert any data or update or delete. Okay, Access provides three main views. What are those? Form view, design view, and layout view, children. Form view, the view is used to enter or edit data. By using the form view, we can enter the data or we can edit the data. By using the design view, we adjust the design of your form. That means however you want to design, you can design that. That means you want to change the columns. By using the design view, you can change it. It gives a more detailed view of the structure of the form, like header, detail, and footer sections in the form. Layout view. This view is used to change the look and feel of a form. Okay, it will layout view. By using the layout view, we can change the look of the form only. It is useful for setting the size of the controls and changing their appearance. Okay, children, these are the three views. The next, creating a new form in Access using the wizard, children. This one we will see in the computer. Our topic is now creating a new form in Access using form wizard, children. In that, first we have to create the table like this. Then in the student table, first you have to select the student table, children, in the navigation pane. Then you just click on the create tab. Here tabs are there now. In that create tab, click on create tab, children. In that form wizard option will be. Okay, form wizard. More forms is there. Now children, just click on that more form. In that form wizard option will be. Just click on that one form wizard option. Then you will get the dialog box like this. Here you can select the fields. Whatever fields you want, you can select. Here I am selecting name. Just double click on it. Then that field will be selected fields like this here. No, like this it will get. Now I am selecting marks. Double click on it. Then it will come like this. Then grade I want. Just double click on it. See this side, name, marks, grade. Like this. After selecting like these fields, just click on next. Then it will asking us column wise, tabular, data sheet, just why, like that. See all this one. Tabular means like this it will come. Data sheet means like this. Justified means like this it will come. You just select column only. Then click on next, children. Then it will asking that label data like that. Okay, office only you can select here children in that label. Then next click on next. Then open the form, view or enter information like this it will come. Student table only just click on, or modify the form design means you can click on this. Otherwise just click on finish. Then you will get the table like this children. Ajay, marks and grade. If you want to go to the next form, just click on here. In the record see here, down is there no, 1 of 7 is there. That means 7 records we have. This is the first one. If you click on this one, next record, just click on Vijay, marks and grade. Next record this one, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, like this. 7th one is not there, anything. So just click on. If you go to the before record means just you click on this. Okay, like this you can see the forms.